Okay, so I have this notepad file. And yes, you are not going to use different colors to write this. Okay, it will be all written in black. You don't have to worry about writing in different. I'll just copy paste some content. Right now, I'm going to show you this first paragraph. Okay, so I've just put in some content. Okay, so I've just put in some copied and pasted basically some content over here. Now, this is your first web page. Now, let's go from first to last line. This is going to tell the browser what kind of or which version of HTML has been used. Then we begin with HTML. Okay, so this is my first tag and this will be my last tag. Okay, so enclosed within the greater than less than symbol but a slash. Okay, then head will include title. So I've given the title my first web page. Okay, you can write anything else. Then the head region closes here and the body region begins. So using H1 tag, I have given a heading. Okay, so this is the heading. And then I have included some text. Okay, that will be part of the paragraph. Right, so I'll just scroll it like this. So you can see the paragraph is closed here. Okay, right? So you just write some content, 2 to 3 statements, and the paragraph will close, and then the body will close, and then the finally HTML tag closes. Okay. Now just go through this particular code and let me know if you don't understand anything. Is it clear to all? Is there any tag that you don't understand? Right? Then my next step is to save this file. Okay. Now you click on save as. Okay. So I just want to put it here. Give it a name with extension HTML. Okay. Right. Or HTM. Either of the two. Okay. So you save the file. Wait. Just share my entire screen. Okay, so I've given the name homepage.html. Okay, extension is important. File name can be anything, but again, I would say that it should be something meaningful. Okay, so this is my homepage. I've given the extension HTML. You click on save. Okay, then your file is saved. I hope we haven't missed anything. Now, next step is to execute this. Okay, to execute this, what you're going to do, you'll go to the location where your file is saved. Girls, is the desktop visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So you can see I have saved it using .html. Moment you save it using .html, whichever is your default browser, you will see that icon. Okay, it won't be a txt file anymore, but the file name would be with the icon of whichever is your default browser. Okay, then you just simply double click this and you can see. Can you see this particular browser window?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we begin with the head part. Head had the title. Now title appears in the title of the browser window. I had given the title my first web page. Okay. Now this is the name or the title that I have given to the web page. Title will not appear over here. Title will not appear anywhere over here. So this is the title that appears on the title of the browser window. Then I had given the heading about JMC using H1. You can clearly see the difference between the font size and the type of the two. This was the paragraph and this was the heading. Okay. So this is the heading and then this is the paragraph. So whatever you had given in the paragraph is uh, displayed over here. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I need confirmation from everyone. Is it understood or not, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. Now I want you to create a similar web page. Okay. The title of the web page should be my first web page. Okay. I'm sure I'm sharing the code as well. So don't worry. I'll share the code. Then heading would be my JMC experience. That would be your heading and write at least 5 statements. Okay, so how would you do this? I'll just present the screen again and explain it. So heading would be my JMC, okay, experience. I'm writing in short right now. And then over here, you are going to just, write 4 to 5 lines. I'm deleting everything from here.
Ma'am, screen is stuck.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is notepad file visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I did, I switched the heading to my JMC experience. Of course, you will write in full. I have not written. And then you will just write some content over here. Okay, at least 4 to 5 statements. So between the opening and the closing paragraph, I want you to write the content. You'll simply type it over here. Okay. Now, yes. So this is my opening and closing. Okay. So you are going to just type your content like this over here. Even if you press enter key, that my text must appear on the next line, it will not. Okay. So I'll show you a different tag for that, but not today. So you just type your content. Even if your line exceeds this whole window, okay, it is all right. ठीक है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता if you just go beyond this. You keep on typing. That's it. Only thing is you close the tag. This closing part is necessary. So you type 5 statements. Don't press the enter key at all. You may keep on typing it, right? And just close it with the paragraph tag. Then you will close the body and finally HTML. Okay. I want you to do this right now. Girls, give your attendance. Anandita. Alina Biju. Alina Thomas.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, actually it's Thomas.
Thomas. Okay. Thank you. Angelica Charles.
Present, ma'am.
Angelica Gotham. Ansa.
Ma'am, she's present.
Why can't she reply then? If she is
Ma'am,
here,
she's facing some network issues.
let me check. So she can type in the chat box. Ansa, can you type in the chat box? If you can't unmute, that is perfectly okay. But type in the chat box. Somebody else shouldn't be giving your attendance, right? Avani, Bhavya Goel. Acha, Bhavya is not here. Chahat, Jayanti,
Present, ma'am.
Karen, Kesia, Khushi Masih, Khushi Jain,
Present, ma'am.
Kriti, Lavya,
Present, ma'am.
Lindsay,
Present, ma'am.
Leah,
Present, ma'am.
Lydia,
Present,
Mahima. Okay. Mahima,
Present, ma'am.
Mamta, Manisha, Megha.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Megha,
Present, ma'am.
Michelle,
Present, ma'am.
Mosangala,
Present, ma'am.
Nitya, Parvi, Palak, Roshni,
Present, ma'am.
Sakshi, Sharon, Shilpi, Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Simi, Simran,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Present, ma'am.
Soumya, Sri Lakshmi,
Present, ma'am.
Stephana,